Introduction to Advanced Guide to Authorize Net Webhooks. Authorize Net Webhooks enable merchants to receive real-time notifications of events related to their transactions such as payments and refunds. In this guide we will cover the key concepts and best practices for implementing Authorize Net Webhooks. Setting up webhooks. To set up webhooks you need to log in to your Authorize Net account and navigate to the Webhooks section. Here you can add a new webhook by specifying the URL where you want to receive the notifications and selecting the types of events you want to be notified about. You can choose from a variety of events such as payment authorizations, refunds, and chargebacks. Understanding webhook events. Authorize Net Webhooks send notifications in JSON format which includes details about the event, such as the transaction ID and the event type. You can use this information to update your database and perform other actions related to the transaction. For example, when a payment is authorized, you can update the order status in your database and send a confirmation email to the customer. Handling webhook notifications. When a webhook notification is received, your server needs to handle it securely and reliably. You should use HTTPS to encrypt the data and validate the signature of the webhook notification to ensure it is coming from Authorize Net. You should also handle errors and exceptions properly to prevent losing notifications. Best practices for implementing webhooks. To get the most out of Authorize Net Webhooks, follow these best practices. First, use a secure connection to receive webhook notifications. Second, validate the signature of the webhook notification to prevent spoofing attacks. Third, handle errors and exceptions properly to prevent losing notifications. Finally, test your webhook implementation thoroughly to ensure it is working as expected. Conclusion. In conclusion, Authorize Net Webhooks provide a powerful way to receive real-time notifications of events related to your transactions. By following the steps outlined in this guide and implementing best practices, you can ensure a secure and reliable implementation of webhooks and improve your overall payment processing experience. With this advanced guide, you can unlock the full potential of Authorize Net Webhooks and take your payment processing to the next level.